In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy stock after hours on ThinkorSwim. So the first thing you have to do, of course, is select the stock you want to trade. For example, for this tutorial, I just selected Apple over here, and then you want to, of course, open an order. Now you can do this on your chart or whatever you prefer. I just prefer doing it on the chart, so I'm going to right click on a chart, and I'm going to click on buy. Now it's going to pop up this order confirmation, and here it's going to basically say limit to open, and then you want to click on edit. It's going to open up this order entry down here at the bottom, and this is where over here on the right hand side where it says day, you want to click on it and you want to change this to EXT, which basically means extended hours. Okay, now of course you can only do this in case you are doing a limit order, so make sure you have a limit order, and then of course set the price and everything of course that's relevant to your order over here, and then make sure it's on EST, or you could also do the GTC EXT. It's completely up to you, and then just click on confirm and send, click on send again, and that's pretty much how we can do it. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.